bacteria whose cell has only a curve or comma is? Do you know the name of the bacteria whose cell has a comma shaped? A. Vibrio, B. cocci, C. spirally, D. bacilli. If you know the correct answer, type in the chat box. See, cocci means spherical, spirally means spiral in shape, spirochetes. Bacilli means rod shape. So Vibrio is comma shaped. So the correct answer is A. So the correct answer is A. Vibrio. Vibrio causes Vibrio cholera disease. Which of the following pathogens causes canker disease? Do you know the name of the pathogen which causes canker disease? Let us see the options. A. Melodogenia incognita, Angina triticea, Xanthomonas citri, Pseudomonas rubelliensis. Now we all know that Melodogenia incognita causes root knot disease. Then Angina triticea causes ear cockle disease, and Pseudomonas rubelliensis causes stripe disease. So the Xanthomonas citrice causes the cankerous disease. So let us see what is the correct answer is. The correct answer is C. Xanthomonas citri.